Time for an upgrade. Let's do it. What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an upgrade on some tow mirrors. What's happening is I'm not getting a good angle. I'm not able to see all the way back on my dump trailer. I think I might have a solution instead of going to these big brackets here that you can get on the older Fords or the tow mirrors. I have it on my bucket truck. I'll show you here in a second. But I might have a solution where I'm able to keep this bracket here, and all I'm going to be doing is replacing the mirror. All right, so this is what I'm trying to avoid. This big bracket here. Don't really want to go this route here. So I'll show you what I got, and hopefully it looks good, and hopefully it is functional, and I'll be happy with it. Other thing that I have seen is there's actually people making brackets here where you have to do a little bit of welding here, but you're able to put on newer Super Duty mirrors, which I really don't want to go that route yet. I want to see if this simple solution that I'm going to do works. But yeah, I mean, you know, there's a bracket that comes down here and you have to do some welding and then repaint it, but I'm going to try to avoid that and do it this way and see if this works. If this works, great. If not, I'm going to have to continue doing some research to see what I can do for tow mirrors on this truck. But let me show you what I got. Okay, so this is what I'm hoping my solution is. Very simple to do. You know, there's no welding. Hopefully I can use my previous hole that's on the bracket now. And all I'm going to do is go with these gooseneck here, this setup here, and this big old Dumbo mirror to see if that solves my problem, to see if I'm able to have a better viewpoint from the driver's seat than what I have on there. I mean, I'm hoping these are a lot bigger and they're going to stick out a few inches more. Here's a part number if you're interested in them. All right, and they ran me about 52 bucks each. Like I said, I'm hoping this is a very easy solution to my problem. I don't want to go welding or putting that big old scaffolding bracket on my door to solve my problem. But I'm going to get to it now, take the old one off, and I will show you what it looks like. And just showing you, comparing the two mirrors here, the different sizes. As you could see, the aftermarket one is much bigger. All right, very simple. To remove these mirrors, you're going to be using a T40. I call it a star socket, T40 size, and just put it underneath there, remove your mirror, and hopefully the new ones bolt right up. And I'll show you the before and after, what they look like. All right, there is the old stock mirrors. That's the before. After I installed them, this is what it looks like. Not bad at all. I was expecting a lot worse, but there it is. To me, I can't really tell the difference, except, you know, they're a little bit bigger. I mean, to me, they look good. Look like Dumbo coming down the road, but I didn't have to do a lot of modifications to the door or putting different brackets on, so a little bit over $100 with tax. I have towing mirrors. The visibility is excellent. The only thing you're going to have to do is, if you're using the old brackets, I did notice I did have to use a 3/8 bit to drill out the holes a little bit so the new hardware fits in. But there it is. Problem solved real quick. Probably 15 minutes at the most, and you got tow mirrors. They work excellent. They seem very sturdy, like they're not going to shake on me going down the road. So yeah, very happy. I'm hoping you guys enjoyed the video. Any comments, questions, leave them down below, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.